What's going on, y'all? So it was time to update you on the Solus Plus. I've been using this almost every day. It's pretty rare that I'm not using this some way, somehow. And honestly, y'all, I've been really pleased with it. I traded in my Apollo D9. I won't go into details why. I talked about it a little bit in the last video, but it was a better route for me to take. It's cheaper to update, and the intelligent diagnostics was something I never used on the Apollo D9. I could care less about intelligent diagnostics. So you don't get all of the in-depth intelligent diagnostic information on the Solus Plus like you did on the D9. But like I said, I didn't use it and I could care less. Aside from that, you have all of the same live data. You have all of the same bi-directional controls. I've honestly found nothing that the Solus Plus can do that this Apollo could do that the Solus cannot. It graphs, it does everything. Like I said, I programmed multiple keys with this already as well. On this particular one, I was doing, and this is touchscreen, by the way. I'm just really bad habit of using the buttons. I don't know why. But like on this one, I did the cylinder AF test. I was doing bidirectional controls for an EVAP problem on a GM Silverado earlier this week. And I'm trying to think of anything else. I'm checking data on a Dodge Journey. Like, I've used it for just about every brand you can imagine. Aside from Euro, I don't touch any Euros in the shop. So I will say that Snap-on's not known to be very good on Euros. But as you can see, it has all of the normal functional tests, your bidirectional controls, you know, your ECM, PCM program and reset on Hondas and such like that. And like I said, I programmed multiple keys with this already on Hondas, by the way. I specialize in Hondas, so I work on a bunch of them. I do work on other brands, like I said, but it's got all the normal stuff. So completely honest, I really like this tool. If you're looking for a more affordable option in the Snap-on lineup, I don't want to say in scan tools in general, because there are a lot of other brands cheaper than Snap-on. But if you are looking in the Snap-on lineup for a more affordable, cheap scan tool, I highly recommend this. If you've used it or own one yourself, please throw down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like it as well, if you're as happy with yours as I am with mine. If you guys have any questions about the tool specifically, feel free to ask in the comments as well. I'll do what I can and answer the best way I can. I will try to run through some more tests and functional tests that I've been doing with it, and I'll try to do some shorts specifically just on the Solus Plus. I know my tool content has been lacking lately, and I apologize for that. It's just been ultra busy, and it's really all I can say. And sometimes I just get in these content slumps, and I really don't have any good ideas, and I'm just not motivated and whatever else. So anyways, thank you all for the support, and the channel is still growing, which is amazing, even though I've been slacking on content. So I can't imagine how much it'd be going up if I was actually being consistent with content. And I know I've been doing some shop related stuff. I do that because I get a ton of questions on Instagram about automotive, running a shop, starting a shop, and all of that stuff. So I hope that if you're watching those as well, you are getting some information and knowledge out of them. But the tool content is coming back, I promise. I'm gonna revamp it back up, and we're gonna get back to it. So I appreciate y'all sticking around and watching my videos, even though I don't edit all of those bloopers out. So see y'all. Take it easy.